Ever pondered over the question, why is composting so vital? Well, it's not just about reducing waste, but also about creating a nutrient-rich soil amendment that can help your garden flourish. Today we're setting off on a journey to understand the importance of composting and how to do it right. Composting is a natural process that recycles various organic materials otherwise regarded as waste and produces a soil conditioner, often referred to as compost. Compost is rich in nutrients. It is used in gardens, landscaping, horticulture, and agriculture. The compost itself is beneficial for the land in several ways, including enhancing soil fertility, stimulating healthy root development, and reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. So, how does one start composting? Well, it's simpler than you might think. The first step involves the collection of green waste, which includes fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and fresh grass clippings. These materials are rich in nitrogen and provide the necessary proteins for the microorganisms that are doing the heavy lifting in your compost pile. Then, gather your brown waste. This includes materials like dried leaves, straw, paper, or wood chips, which provide carbon and energy for those hard-working microbes. The third step is about mixing these green and brown materials together. The ideal ratio is about 3 parts brown to 1 part green. This ratio ensures that your compost pile has a good balance of materials and can decompose efficiently. Next, add some water. The compost pile should be as moist as a wrung-out sponge to provide the ideal environment for decomposition. But be careful not to add too much water, as it can lead to a smelly compost pile. Now, it's time for a bit of patience. Composting is not an overnight process. It can take anywhere from 2 months to 2 years to fully decompose, depending on the materials and conditions. Turning the compost pile every few weeks can speed up the process by allowing more oxygen to reach the decomposing materials. Once the compost pile has turned into a dark, crumbly material with a sweet, earthy smell, it is ready to be used. This final product, referred to as black gold by gardeners, can be added to garden soil to improve its fertility and structure. So, in summary, composting is a simple process that involves the decomposition of organic waste into a nutrient-rich soil conditioner. It is beneficial not only for reducing waste, but also for enhancing soil fertility, promoting healthy root development, and decreasing the need for synthetic fertilizers. The process involves the collection of green and brown waste, adding water, and waiting for the materials to decompose. The result is a fertile, nutrient-rich compost that is perfect for your gardening needs. Remember, composting is more than just recycling organic waste. It's about contributing to a healthier planet and creating a thriving garden that is a testament to the power of natural processes. Give composting a try and witness the magic of nature unfold right in your backyard.